Hi, I've been using a Hyundai Santa Fe since 2019. The new model looks amazing. What I can say my experience with Hyundai has always been pristine, because my first car was a Elantra since 2014. And when I got Santa Fe, I just fell in love with it overall. With Hyundai, the thing I love about it is, with the Santa Fe previously, they have the chime. So I'm excited to see the new one. We will test drive one after this. I hope you guys will enjoy it too. Just come and check out for a test drive. I'm not a Hyundai staff, but I'm just a big fan.
Ini amat menarik. Terima kasih atas jemputan. Kami pun 2 bulan kali nak servis hari ni. Jadi 2-in-1 juga lah. Ni masih lagi pakai Santa Fe TM. Beli 2020. Berfikir sama dia nak usah yang baru ni atau tidak. Menarik sekali, terutama yang kaligrafi, yang high spec tu. Dan rasa untuk orang yang outdoor memang akan jatuh cinta. So mungkin kami berminat yang prestige kata tadi. Sebab itu lebih sesuai untuk penggunaan bandar lah, harian yang bandar. Sebenarnya performa ni memang bagus. Memang kami recommend, saya dengan wife recommend sebab setakat ni no major issue walaupun dah 5 tahun guna. Performance, driving experience baik. Kalau ada rezeki, kita akan tukar Santa Fe jugalah.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm in PJ, from the Jaya area. Oh yeah, we did a test drive on the 1.6 turbo, the 3-stage. It's very different in the sense of technology. It was pretty quiet, good, responsive, and it's totally a different shape altogether. It's more boxy compared to the previous generation. So it's okay for a change. I'll give it a 5-star for this. My previous car, which I'm currently driving, is also the 4th generation Santa Fe. Alright, maybe I will do some recommendation if they are looking for a Hyundai model.
Event was good, very informative, and I think it has aroused my interest in Santa Fe, and more importantly, I'm actually having a Santa Fe. The intent to change to a new car. I'm going to test drive now. Shortly I'm going to test drive. Definitely. Because 2 of my family members are already customers of Hyundai. I would definitely recommend it. This latest edition is really exciting. Fantastic features, and I think compared to other vehicles in the same category, of course it's pricey compared to Japanese Toyota or Honda, but nevertheless in terms of features it's really good. Really good.